Hey there, welcome to this exciting aerial journey as we take you on a breathtaking ride along the river. Our journey today will be a unique experience that will take you high up in the sky, giving you a bird's eye view of the world below. Today, we will be exploring the beauty of the river from an entirely different perspective, the aerial view from a drone. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be mesmerized by the stunning views that we will be sharing with you. Our journey begins at the banks of the river. As we prepare to take off, you can see the drone hovering just above the ground. The blades begin to rotate, and the drone slowly lifts off the ground. With each passing second, the drone climbs higher and higher into the sky until we are high above the river. As we soar above the river, you can see the crystal clear water glistening in the sunlight. The lush greenery on the banks of the river looks even more vibrant from up here. The drone moves steadily, giving you a panoramic view of the river from all angles. You can see the river winding its way through the landscape, snaking its way between mountains and hills. As we fly over the river, keep an eye out for any wildlife that might be lurking around. From up here, you can see a wide range of creatures going about their day. You might spot a family of ducks swimming in the river or a group of fish swimming beneath the surface. The drone moves silently, so we won't disturb the natural habitat of any animals. As we continue along the river, take a moment to admire the surrounding scenery. The mountains and hills in the distance create a stunning backdrop for the river. You can see the trees and plants on the banks of the river swaying in the breeze, and the sun shining down on the water creates a beautiful shimmering effect. Our journey comes to an end as we approach the final destination. The drone hovers over a waterfall, giving you a breathtaking view of the cascading water. The mist rises up from the waterfall, creating a surreal and magical atmosphere. As we descend towards the ground, take a moment to reflect on the stunning beauty of the river that we have just witnessed. And there you have it, folks, our aerial journey along the river. We hope that you enjoyed this unique experience and were able to see the beauty of the river from an entirely different perspective. The drone view allowed us to capture stunning footage that we can share with you, and we hope that it has left you feeling inspired and awestruck. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope to see you again soon for our next aerial adventure.